This smoothie is a tropical twist on your classic green drink packed with nutrients to fuel your day. It's inspired by vacations like my tropical trip to Hawaii or down to the Caribbean, all of the untouched land that's filled with vibrant fruits and veggies, healthy fats, powerful antioxidants, and C60's Power Avocado Oil with clean protein to support energy, recovery, and vitality to fuel you for the rest of the day. All right, so we're gonna get started. We're putting the avocado into the blender, and then lime juice. Spinach. Pineapple. Protein powder. C60. MCT, avocado oil, coconut water. Okay, all done. Nice and easy.